The 2025 Audi A5 is here, and it's not quite what you might expect. Gone are the sleek coupe and drop-top variants. Instead, Audi has reimagined the A5 as a sophisticated sedan that's ready to take on the likes of BMW and Mercedes while saying goodbye to the A4 as we know it. Let's talk numbers first. Starting at $47,000, the new A5 brings more of everything. More space, more tech, and yes, more presence on the road. Audi has stretched this car in every direction, making it longer, wider, and taller than before. The result? A seriously imposing machine that makes a statement even standing still. Under the hood, Audi offers more choices than you might think. The entry-level model starts with a 2-liter turbo, making 148 horsepower, which will get you from 0 to 62 in 9.8 seconds. Step up to the 201 horsepower version, and that time drops to 7.8 seconds, putting it right in line with the BMW 320i. But here's where it gets interesting. The star of the show is that 268 horsepower 2-liter turbo with a 48-volt hybrid system. Power flows through Audi's excellent dual-clutch transmission to all 4 wheels via the legendary Quattro system. For those wanting more efficiency, there's a punchy diesel option making 201 horsepower that'll hit 62 in just 7.7 seconds, matching the Mercedes C220 diesel. Step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The dashboard is dominated by what Audi calls a curved glass cockpit. You get an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly flowing into a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. But wait, there's more! Opt for the top trim, and your passenger gets their own 10.9-inch display. It's like sitting in a concept car, except this one's actually going into production. Speaking of space, the new A5 addresses one of the biggest complaints about its predecessor. The trunk now offers 26 cubic feet of storage, making it one of the most practical cars in its class. Rear passengers finally get the legroom they deserve, thanks to that stretched wheelbase. It's clear Audi has been listening to customer feedback. The tech story continues with standard features that would have been optional extras just a few years ago. Wireless phone charging? Standard. Navigation? Included. Power liftgate? You bet. The Premium Plus trim adds an excellent Bang & Olufsen sound system that'll make your favorite playlist sound like a live concert. Looking ahead to 2025, Audi plans to introduce plug-in hybrid versions, promising around 60 miles of electric range. That's impressive considering the current competition barely manages 35 miles. The competition isn't standing still either. BMW's 4 Series Grand Coupe and the Mercedes C-Class are formidable opponents. But the new A5 brings something unique to the table. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a glimpse into how traditional luxury cars can evolve without losing their soul. Starting at $47,000 and climbing to around $57,000 for a fully loaded prestige model, the 2025 A5 sits right in the sweet spot of the premium sedan market. You're getting Audi's latest tech, impressive practicality, and that unmistakable 4 rings prestige. Is it perfect? No car is. Some might want more engine options in the US market, especially considering the broader range available in Europe. And yes, the price has crept up from the previous generation, but what you get in return is a car that feels several steps ahead of its predecessor in almost every way. The 2025 Audi A5 isn't just an evolution, it's a statement about where luxury cars are headed. It's sophisticated without being flashy, technical without being overwhelming, and practical without being boring. And isn't that exactly what a modern luxury car should be? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.